Hi, my name is Marco Rantissi and I'm the chef and owner of Kepos Street Kitchen, Kepos & Co. and Kepos Catering. I wanted to wish you a happy World Egg Day to start with. And we're gonna be doing a very special dish today that is in between an omelette and a frittata. It's a dish that my mom used to do, a dish similar to that in my childhood. It is beautiful, simple, easy to do, but very delicious. What I love about eggs in general is eggs is a very versatile ingredient. I call them an ingredient because you can use them for your breakfast dishes, you can use them for lunch. It is one of the most delicious things having a beautiful omelette for dinner. So egg is one of those amazing ingredients. It's super versatile. You can use it however you feel like it and in so many different ways.